Let's say the person can only lift 100 pounds on the bench. You come and you put 400 pounds of truth on the bench, and you expect them to lift it. It's like taking a 5th grader, giving them a 12th grade exam. You have to judge the other person's capability of what they can handle. This is why communication is so important. Being able to put a feather on the person's heart because they can't handle anything, and that's how heavy your message feels, and being able to put a boulder on somebody's heart when you need it. That emotional weight, you need to be able to judge that. So the person who can do that becomes literally a master at being able to put just enough weight of truth on the other person's heart, and they can bring them closer to the truth.